Hey guys, today I just want to do a quick review on two knives I just picked up. I was just perusing the local Harbor Freight, saw these, nothing else really wanted to grab, so I just picked these up. Some good reviews online, so I figured I'd give them a try. I just need some knives to throw in the vehicle and also in the toolbox just for cutting stuff up, opening boxes. So these are the Gordon Challenger drop point tactile knife. You see there in black, and then here's their basic Gordon 3 and 1/16 inch stainless steel folding knife. Pretty cheap and affordable. The tactical knife was $6.99. The folding knife was $4.99. Use your 20% off get discounts, and these are a little bit cheaper too. So you can see the packaging. The Challenger knife a little bit more fancy, a little more modern. The other one is just your basic, cheap Harbor Freight looking packaging box. So I'll give that there. You can pause it if you want to kind of read the descriptions, or just go online and look these up. I'll give you that there. So I kind of throw these out of the way. So the first one, the tactical knife, you can see it there. Stainless steel. It's kind of got black knurling on this composite casing they're calling it. It is pretty light, it's pretty small. Pull a little tape measure out of here. And so you're looking at, just under 4.5 inches with it closed. You got a little assist open. Clicks to lock it in. You got your basic click to unlock there. Line it up. And we're looking at just about 7.5 inches. These are sharp out of the box. That's one thing I liked about it. I just used one and opened the other. On this tactical knife one, they're saying you can remove these with those security bits. You can move this clip around to wherever you want, to the 4 positions. So you can line it to where you want. Pretty sharp. The blade itself is kind of small. So the blade is about 3 inches. So nice. It fits in the hand. It fits in the hand well. Click to safe release. Pop it open. And so there's a small click to lock it in. But there you go. The tactical knife. Throw that one off to the side. And we'll take a look at their basic one. So this one's a little bit heavier. It is kind of, I'm not sure what kind of, it's probably Chinesium steel, but it is there. Stainless steel there again. Labeled made in China on the back. So steel, it's got some cutouts here to give it a little fancy design. And the clip there, the clip is not made to be moved around, so you notice there's no other extra mounting spots like there's in the tactical knife. There's some, sort of black plastic knurling here added on to kind of make it, give you a little bit of a grip. Open it up, sorry guys, one-handed. You hear it click into place. So there's the blade, and it's a little bit bigger than the tactical knife. So this one's almost 8 inches, 7 3/4 I would call it. The blade itself, again, about 3 inches is the useful size. So there you go. So 2 blades, 2 Harbor Freight knives. So far pretty sharp out of the box. For what they're priced at and what I'm going to use them for, again, just for the toolbox and for the cards, I have them there to cut boxes up, cut tape off. My preference would kind of be towards the tactical knife. It's a whole lot lighter than the basic knife, but for the price, again, $6.99, $4.99, whatever one you want to go with, you can't really go wrong with these. And both of them have kind of really good reviews online. You kind of see them size to size here. So again, the basic stainless steel, the cheapo one is a little bit bigger, a little bit wider. It's got a bigger handprint in your hand, so it's up to you. If you have small hands, you might like the smaller one. If you have bigger hands, you might like the heavier, sturdier one. There you go, guys. Real quick review on two pocket knives I just picked up from Harbor Freight, both made by Gordon, or otherwise aka Harbor Freight. Pretty cheap. Pick them up if you want them. Again, they'll be useful, and with these, if I lose them, I lose them. Just grab another one. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.